Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Zelle with Educator's credit union to send money. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send money directly from your bank account to friends, family and others, using just their email address or US mobile phone number. To get started, you will need to enroll in Zelle through the Educator's credit union online banking or mobile banking app. If you have not already done so, you can sign up for online banking or download the mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have logged in to your online banking or mobile banking app, navigate to the Payments or Transfer section and look for the Zelle option. Click on the Zelle link to enroll and accept the terms of service. To send money using Zelle, start by selecting the Zelle option and choosing the account you want to use to fund the payment. Enter the recipient's email address or US mobile phone number and the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the payment if you want to include a note. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the payment amount. If everything looks good, click the Send button to initiate the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that they have been sent money, and they can use Zelle to deposit the funds into their bank account. If the recipient is not already enrolled in Zelle, they will be prompted to enroll to receive the payment. It is important to note that Zelle payments are typically processed in minutes, but may take longer in some cases. You can check the status of your payment through the online banking or mobile banking app. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust, and being cautious of scams or phishing attempts. You should also keep your online banking and mobile banking app passwords and login credentials secure. In conclusion, using Zelle with Educator's credit union is a fast and easy way to send money to friends, family and others. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely send money using Zelle.